a black male, no shirt, black pants in the driver's seat.
Hey, bro, put me to the side. I'm gonna get him man whole name. I'm not going to jail about no ride, bro.
On some perfume.
What's your name?
Don't touch me.
Can you turn my BWC off? Because I don't want to touch what I just touched.
July 26th, 2024 at 1600 hours, members of the Orange County Sheriff's Office Cop Squad were proactively patrolling the area of Conroy Road and South Kirkman Road when a black Nissan Altima, which was reported stolen, was located at Publix. The video you're about to watch is what happened next.
I got it. It's right next to the black Infiniti, in between the black Infiniti and the white Toyota.
You're right.
Alright, looks like the car's pulling out of the spot now. Going towards the front of the Publix in the parking lot.
They're making a passenger. I don't know if we're going to pick them up or leave them.
Alright, they're heading north. They're facing north and they stop now, parallel to the store. And driver just got out, red shirt or red dress. Alright, and somebody else must be in the driver's seat because the car is reversing and black female is back out. She is getting in the front passenger seat and you have another person in a safety vest that is getting in the back driver's side. Alright, car is northbound through the plaza to the bricks there. Alright, coming in and going around to the left to go southbound through the bricks. All the way to the canal line and westbound. And is going to be making that first right-hand turn northbound. They are stopping. I don't have building numbers. It's that first row whenever you guys come in, though, and go to the left. Alright, he is parking facing westbound. Scratch that. He's reversing to back in. He's in a spot kind of all by himself. We've got two empty spots on each side. And he's going to be on the furthest east building, backed in. So that black truck, doors are opening. Got a black male, no shirt, black pants in the driver's seat. Another black male, no shirt with maybe black and white shoes on the back passenger seat. Looks like a pit bull, not on a leash, and then a black female, red dress.
Alright, we're moving in to take the front.
Alright, got one black male, no shirt, running, orange shoes. He is in.
Watch him, buddy! Watch him! Watch him!
How much? What do you need?
Hey, Frank, stay over here. Benny, yeah, come here. Yep, me, Benny, and Tad are gonna go now. For the driver's side.
Okay.
Yep. You heard secure too. Benny, she needs to be secure too. Hey, sir, I wasn't in that car. You know the helicopter has a camera? I know. I just got a ride. All right. Hey, sir, I just caught a lift ride.
Stand up.
Bro.
Stand up. You got any weapons on you?
No, sir, I just caught a lift ride, bro. They didn't even tell me that shit was stolen, bro. Hey, I'm gonna give the man whole name, sir, bro. I'm not going to jail, boy, about no lift ride. Should I go to jail about the lift? Oh my soul, boy, they just tried to do me the same way the other night, bro. 3 grand on the fucking lift ride. Hey, sir, put me to the side. I'm gonna give the man whole name, bro. I'm not going to jail about no ride, bro. Could I give you his whole name, bro, sir, please?
Hey, Ronnie, pull him over here real quick.
Hey, officer, listen. I caught a ride, bro. You hear me? And guess what, bro? I'm gonna give the man whole name, bro. I'm not, bro, listen, sir. Can you pull me to the side and I can talk to you, please?
I'm not gonna be talking to you yet.
Alright.
I don't know who is, so.
Hey, sir, listen. I caught a lift ride. I didn't even know that. Listen, on my mama, bro. I put this on my mama. Mama right there got cancer. She's in at the door, sir. I'm not even lying, my mama. I'm gonna sleep on them mother now, boy. Listen, I'm not. Listen. Hey, sir, listen. Right now, I don't listen. Who can I talk to right now? Where your sheriff?
Just relax. Relax.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna tell, boy. I'm not going in behind this shit, boy. You got me fucked up, boy. Y'all can't pick me up in this y'all shit. I'm not on none of that shit, boy. Hey, sir. Where's your Western? I've been telling you.
That's what I'm assuming. Relax. Stop moving around.
Yeah, everybody else has handcuffs on.
Hey, stop moving around.
Yes, sir.
We'll figure it out afterwards, I guess.
Lieutenant. Hey, where's Lieutenant at? Boy, listen, boy.
Yeah.
Hey, sir. Sir. Hey, look, listen. I'm finna steal the beans. I'm not going to
We'll pull him over there too. I'll mark card. Oh yeah, for the most part.
Hey, where your lieutenant at?
You gonna take him?
Hey, can I talk to your lieutenant
No.
real quick? Yeah. Hey, sir, look, listen. Bro, I paid him for a fucking ride, bro.
I got Cosme's and Ronnie's are over here.
Sir.
One guy out on this side too.
I'll walk over there and then I'll work it.
Where your lieutenant? I'm finna, bro, listen.
Let's get him in a car real quick.
Wait, no car. Wait, listen.
Yeah, you're going into a car for now.
Hey, look, listen, sir. I'm finna tell on the ass.
Let's search him one more time.
I swear to God, boy, I don't steal cars, boy, I'm out. But hey, tell them, boy, I get plenty of money for real, boy, I don't steal cars, boy, I paid for a ride, boy.
That's what I'm saying, we just lifted.
Yeah, we got all 3 of the cars dead.
We just
Boy, they just cashed out them for a fucking ride, bro. Sir, man, my mama, boy, I don't steal cars, boy, I'm gonna tell on the ass, boy, he gonna run. I mean, fucked up, I'm gonna tell you a whole name, boy, I'm gonna fuck about none of that shit. Hey, sir, listen. I don't give a fuck, listen. I was standing, but listen, my friend tell on his ass, boy. Hey, sir, please, listen. I hit y'all up right now. All that shit, bro. You heard me, sir?
I'm gonna set him in here. I'm gonna go get the.
Officer, can I talk to the lieutenant?
Have a seat. Sit down.
Am I under arrest, though?
Alright.
It's okay.
Crowd and calm down.
Thank you.
Auto 11, SWAT center, where you at? I'm coming around. I was on the other side of the building.
They bust my lip, homie.
Who did? Alright.
I don't know.
Have a seat.
I don't know what's going on.
Alright, okay. You're okay. Just take a breath.
I'm scared.
Sit up.
I'm
Sit up.
scared of all these shit.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Alright, just sit up.
Anxiety. I'm scared.
Sit up. Hey, just tie the dog to the pole.
Yeah, tie her to the pole right there.
I know you guys said you're charging them all, but yeah, the one that took off running was your...
Nobody, I can't riding with her. I don't know what's going on.
All right, relax. The car's stolen. The car's stolen.
I don't know.
All right, hey, stop the fake crying.
No, I'm scared.
Stop the fake crying.
No, I'm scared.
You're over here crying to me about you're scared, but when I talk about your dog, you immediately stop crying, and then you start crying again because you're scared.
My dog is my baby. I be with her.
Right,
Like a
she's
child to me.
fine, right? She's a child to you. Relax.
Y'all can kill me. Y'all want to kill me.
We're going to relocate.
Y'all want to kill me. Y'all can kill me right now. Y'all can kill me right now if y'all want to. I feel like my hands is like y'all can kill me right now if y'all want to and get away with it.
I don't think so.
No, y'all can't.
No, I don't think so.
Phone in the car.
Okay.
All right, we'll get it.
I don't know what's going on.
Stop with the fake crying. Knock it off with the fake crying.
Guys, I'm not faking. You only want to say I'm faking. Don't touch me.
That's not a good idea.
Hey, listen.
That's not a good
You
idea.
gotta stop it. Knock it off. Just knock it. Hey. Just knock it off.
I'm having a daddy problem. I'm scared of
You had a daddy problem.
anxiety. I'm scared of guns. Oh my God.
Is somebody here who can take your dog? Is somebody here who can take your dog? Stop crying.
Sean.
All you gotta do is talk about the dog. Just quit crying.
Brother.
You don't know anybody here that can take your dog? Hey, before she goes in your car, let me know.
Okay, 911. You're 1097 with the car. You're always 1015.
Let's go.
Yeah, we got all three of the cars yet.
Hey, can y'all get one of the females to come search her?
My mom.
Stop. Get up. Let's go. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Then you want to relocate on WC.
Oh, my God. Karma.
Get up.
Karma. Karma.
The second one. The one with the lights on. What are you doing?
Yep.
No.
All right, then walk.
No, my dog.
You have one last chance there.
No, okay.
Let's go.
Let me
No,
go
we're
my
done.
license. I can get down. Let me go. I can get down. Whoa. Whoa. I will walk. My coochie is showing. Let me go. I will.
And walk.
I told you I will.
Let's go.
Stop touching me.
Let's go.
I'm going down. I'm touching me. What I'm getting the car for? I need to know why. My dog don't take my way. No, I saw my mom won't come get her. My arm, y'all hurting me.
On you?
No.
You don't have anything on you?
No.
No needles, no drugs?
perfume.
What's your name? What's your name?
Sade Denise Robinson.
Chalet?
Sade.
Sade.
S-H-A-D.
Where's the
Stop
perfume?
going limp like that. It's just, I know, but stop doing that. Stand up. You're gonna hurt yourself more by going limp. It's just hurting your arms when you do that. You know that, right?
Okay.
Is it in your bra?
Which
My
side?
perfumes. Which perfume stuff?
Right there.
My boobies. The other one too. It's one more.
I
Stand
can't
up.
grab your stuff if you're moving.
I can't.
That's probably the point. I don't think she wants you to grab it. Stop.
Ow.
Stand up.
Let me
Stop.
go.
Do you
We're
have
not gonna
anything
let
else
you go.
on
You
you?
got the right to hold me like I didn't do nothing wrong. Let me go.
You are under arrest. Do you understand that?
Ow.
You are going to jail. Stop resisting.
Ow.
Stop resisting. We're
Look
going to tell you that
at me.
repeatedly.
Can somebody else
If you
hold me,
continue to
please? I don't
resist, you're
want
going to
him
catch charges.
I
You
don't
understand that?
want, thank you. No, I don't want him touching me.
Man, he
stop.
needs to touch you.
Can somebody else do it? Hell, he hurt
Stop.
me.
Stop.
He hurt me.
Yes.
No one's hurting you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Stop. Don't grab
Break
her.
my arm down.
Stop.
Look on my neck. Look
Stop.
on my neck.
Alright, I don't feel anything.
I don't want him
Yeah, the only thing
touching
she
me.
had was perfume
I don't
stuff
want
on
him
her.
touching me. I don't want you touching me. I don't want you
Then
touching
get in
me.
the car.
You know
Nobody
me.
will touch you in the car. Sit down.
Okay, stop grabbing me, man. There's a
Get
woman
out.
right here.
Sit down.
There's a woman right here. They grabbed me.
Sit all the way in the car.
Sit in the car or I'm going to drag you through the car, ma'am.
Sit in
Don't
the
touch
seat.
me. Don't touch me, bitch ass
Then
nigga.
sit in the car.
Don't touch me, pussy. I know you, bitch ass nigga. My dog, come on.
In the car.
Let go me. Let me go. Stop hurting me.
Relocate the car where it works at.
I got it.
Calm down.
Be ready to do the street first. And then I was right here, and they dropped that too.
Yeah, you gotta be smarter than the trees, my man.
They just planted them.
Auto 11 for SWAT 10, where you at?
I'm coming around. I was on the other side of the building. You got him? Yeah. Yeah. And his drugs? Huh?
It's not yours? Okay.
Keep securing the vehicle. Get out of here.
And I know you guys said you're charging them all, but the one that took off running was your most recent driver.
Well, then I've got somebody right in the unit or relocation vehicle.
Oh, yeah. That's great. Let's about to call the rotation. That was him, right? Yeah, Tyler. We'll just move it out.
Watch where you step.
Hey, SWAT's gonna actually want to go.
Watch the body cam.
Alright, I'll watch your body cam.
We're going to relocate to the park on W. Judge.
Good 10-4 down there.
Yeah, that's not bad.
County Chase Park. Chase Park,
Chase Unit 6, good job calling it out.
Working, sir.
Here, 1097 on the car. All the time.
Who's 6? Guido?
Yeah. We got all three of the cars good. So we can resume normal.
It's time to come out and do stuff. He's always out doing stuff. I was working. He says Fridays are made to be out in the field. Is he? Yeah, he's in like up there. That's great. I was working night library off duty, and he came by at 1:30 in the morning to come by and say hi.
Why you got this shit set like it's a murder scene, you heard?
Huh?
Why you got this shit set like it's a murder scene?
We're just all bored, so we all came to play.
That shit weird. That's crazy.
Do what?
Looking for a car for him. Stand up.
I got a half cage if you need it.
Yeah, that'll work.
You got that? Yeah.
Don't reach in your pants.
Okay.
No, hold on. We gotta search you.
There's nothing in the back of this car.
You're under arrest.
There's no one can sit in the prison.
You're under arrest.
No one can sit in the prison.
I don't care. You're under arrest.
Jurisdiction over me.
I got jurisdiction over you. Stop
You don't
moving.
have jurisdiction over me. I never consented to prison.
You don't need a consent.
I know, you just violated your rights.
My rights?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my rights.
Okay.
Take my shoe off. Take it off. Take my sock off. Take my sock off.
Relax. I'll switch with you.
Yep. Kick the shoe off.
You have to go look.
I'm gonna take my shot, brother. You heard me? No disrespect. Ain't no disrespect. You heard me? Okay, you know I can't take it off, brother. You heard me? Give my salt right there. Give my salt.
Spread your feet.
We need to relocate the car. Where are you at?
Just on the opposite side, east. I've seen the car, man. I'll bring it to him. Not yet. Have a seat. Have a seat in the car. Just so you know, there's nothing in that back seat if I find something. Brady. Thank you, boss.
If she's got something, she said she had perfume samples on her boobs, so I only grabbed 2. I don't know if there was 3. Oh my gosh. Something else.
Hi.
Alright, well I'm following y'all.
There's no keys.
We're waiting for the key to move it.
You gotta. They said no. They said you gotta push it.
I'm not walking a beat.
Hey, you wanna take a guess on if I trade right now?
Trade on A-side?
Bro, I traded everybody.
I got transferred to B.
You go ahead.
Y'all don't want to drive this?
Not me.
Y'all leave it up to me?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Leave it up to the white chick.
Huh?
He said leave it up to the white chick to drive
You're
it.
fine. You got this.
Do we need to get the support dog for you? I know your heart's broken.
Says no key.
Try putting the key to
I was like,
it,
are we?
Like,
There
let me see.
Well, it started.
Let me see it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, sometimes if you just take the key fob and you start it, like...
Y'all ever take me, please? Please ever take me, please. Can you please ever take me? It's sorry. It's hurt. I promise I won't resist if you just... They hurt.
You had enough time.
Okay, can you take me? I need my dog going. So I can go get her.
Why are you throwing up?
Look. My phone in the car. Can y'all please get my phone?
The car's gonna get gone through.
My phone. My phone. Please get my phone out. I didn't do nothing. I didn't know it was stolen.
Hey, they said on WD Judgment what?
Just go. Judge, make a left. And it's on your left.
Gotcha.
It's the first left that you can get.
Gotcha.
Nobody's gonna be able to move though.
I know, yeah.
He's on his way.
What are you doing?
I can't breathe. I'm having sex. I can't. I'm scared, y'all.
You're nothing to be scared of. You're already in handcuffs.
Scared. I'm still scared.
Stop trying to throw up.
I'm gonna try. How are we gonna throw it up? I can't breathe.
You're talking to me perfectly fine.
I'm doing too much. I can't. Exactly is what you create. And I can't. I'm creating it because I'm scared. I can't breathe.
You're talking just fine.
I still can't like that. I can't. I'm scared. I'm supposed to go. I don't want to get out of here. Please take me down to the 33rd. I can't breathe now.
We're getting away from the crowd and then we'll settle everything down. Stop trying to throw up.
I've been through.
Yeah.
throwing up.
County, all the units are relocating to 3955 WHS Drive.
Mommy, God, I need you. God, I need you to calm down. I can't. I'm doing the most. Ready to calm down.
What's your last name?
Robinson.
Robinson.
R-O-B-I-S-O-N.
What's your first name?
Sade, S-H-A-D-A-Y.
D-A-Y. What's your date of birth?
May 4th, 2000. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared of police.
So 04/04/2000? It's 04/04/2000?
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm scared of you. I'm scared of y'all. I'm scared y'all got guns. Y'all can kill me.
You're not. You're perfectly fine now.
So get away. I'm scared. It's my second time going to jail in my life. You heard me. It's my second time going to jail in my life. Yo, I'm so scared. My dog. My grandma. Grandma. What I did, I didn't do that. I don't know about the Corvette stuff. I don't know about that. I'm just going to jail. I don't know. I wasn't even a driver.
Stop making yourself throw up.
I feel sick. I'm scared. I feel sick. I'm sorry. I clean it though. So we get cuts on. I'm wrong for that. Doing a bit. I'm sorry. I'm just scared. I'm being over exaggerated. You heard me? I'm being extra.
Yeah, I know. And no one's gonna shoot you. You're not in any danger anymore.
They told me that police kill me.
No, did anyone die today? No.
Calm down, Shadi. You're doing so much. Calm down. Calm down. They don't kill me.
No one's gonna kill you.
Okay, calm down. I need to be respectful. Calm down. Stop, Shadi. Stop. I took my shoes.
I've got your shoe right here.
It's an illegal turn, sir. Like St. Mary and Orange, I was like, wait, I'm about to ask her if she paid for this food.
I must deserve this guy.
Oh, God. Hey, I got a question for you. I got a question for you. That food from Publix, did y'all pay for it? Be honest.
I don't know if they did. I was right.
All right, step
Put your shoe on.
They probably did. They came to the store. I was sitting in the car.
Okay, step out.
I want to get the Publix camera. I stayed in the car. I walked out and went in the store. To go get the dude out the store. Can I please do that? Thank you.
Stand up.
That's
Let's go.
No, it's just tight on me. It's tight.
All right. Hey, Taz, you want to get your cuffs real quick?
I'm in pain.
Yeah.
I know, I was looking at it, I was like, whoa.
I'm in pain. I'm sorry, y'all can't clean it. It's nasty. I clean the hand.
Clean what?
Stuff I did.
Stand up. Keep walking. We're going to swap the cuffs out in a second. Get up. Let's go. No. Stand up straight. Let's go. You're going to take those cuffs off right now.
I'm scared.
I'm not hurting you.
It hurt already. I tightened it up myself. I did.
You already asked about the doctor?
Not yet, no.
I called my mama.
What's a good phone number to
863-877-701.
Hold on, relax.
I'm sorry. I just want to
863.
Stand up. He's taking the cuffs off. Relax.
What hurts?
The cup.
Oh, that doesn't hurt.
Okay, now
What's your phone number?
I tightened it up myself.
I know. You said you had these. 7015.
Denise Sims.
Her name is Denise. The guy
that we,
come
get
car. Then it's probably his car. Oh yeah, your car. Yeah, that's my car.
Orange.
We're not waiting for her to come from Orange City or Port Orange.
Bobby Hall.
I've lost too many handcuffs in this agency.
You're good, man. They're a little, hey. They're a little, she just threw up in the back of my car, so.
Good job.
Can you turn my BWC off? Because I don't want to touch what I just touched. All right, thanks.
Why do you still have that dog?
What am I doing? Leave it tied up right there?
Does she not live in there?
No, she said, no, I don't live here. I was just going for a ride. So I'm like, all right.
I don't know if it's gonna be either you or me that's gonna talk to this guy, or
I don't care.
it's gonna be an interesting one.
Why? Why can't? Why is it going to be interesting? What do you know that I don't know? I can't figure out how to open the trunk. Yeah, I can't. Unless it, oh, that's a weird fucking button.
Yeah, hey,
That's a weird button.
Anybody want some fresh meat? Look at the trunk.
Hey, we got some sliders.
Hey.
I'm guessing you said no to this side?
No, I was going to.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll start up here. I'll start up here. Found it.
Exactly what you were looking for.
We found it. It's a fit. It's a perfect match. Go get them all 48. Yeah, there's a bunch of shoes in here.
Spell signal pack.
Looks like they just walked. They just walked out of Publix with all the food. I looked in there.
All right, well, and that's it then.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, somebody will come talk to you.
Man, something tell the honest guy truth. My mama's way over. Look, I don't think I got nothing to do with none of that.
We'll give you time to talk, okay? But you gotta sit down and wait.
Sit down, dude.
Oh, yes, sir. I got bad knees, though, sir. I'm sorry. I got rods leg.
I got you. Can you get your info real quick?
Yes, sir. Bro, I turned myself in, bro, on the fucking 15th of August, bro. Who the fuck niggas gonna pick me up, bro?
What is
Your light's on.
I got a cage cam.
Light.
Call 96981. You said 20931, correct?
It's still on.
Yeah, I've got them. Try not to.
1098.
Back to 906 reference, the ATC, they don't have an apartment number. If we're to close it out.
1098, thank you.
drug possession? Dude, I watched you drop it right in front of me when you hit that tree. That's the only. My body cam is on. It's on my shoulder, and I watched the whole thing with my eyes, my ojos.
I get that one, so that.
I'll loosen this one up a little bit once it starts. There you go. Good, man.
What you trying me? I get charged.
No, you're gonna come over this way.
My lawyer's paid.
Hey, over here, over here.
Not yet. Okay. Scott, can we hang on to you for like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Go back in there, buddy. Sorry.
I get paid by the hour.
Did Gino talk to you?
Gino?
My lawyer paid.
No.
I had to get my lawyer paid.
He's been busy with his new car.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll give her a little bit and then it'll go to Animal Services. I just didn't want to sign it without talking to somebody first.
Yeah, you're good.
Said,
not a problem.
We took care of it right there, so we didn't have to wait for just a couple hours.
What's your first yeah, half the shit on it doesn't work.
What's your first name?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what's your first name? Yeah, we're gonna. Okay, well, then I'm just gonna fingerprint you and you'll get an extra felony. I'm fine with that.
Works for me.
Extra felony it is. For what? Okay. Yeah.